Hello everybody, it's John Williamson with Food Rescue, and we are filming today our first pickup from City Barbecue, where we provided a 3x3 freezer to City Barbecue for them to begin participating in our food recovery program. And this represents a little over a week's worth of food. We're estimating that a family of four, there'll be 32 meals that you're looking at here. And with 22 stores that they have, if we can make this test market successful, if you take 52 weeks times 32 meals, that's obviously a substantial amount of meals that can be fed to people with just surplus food that already exists. This amounted to about 3 full coolers of surplus food. So we want to thank our partners at City Barbecue, and looking forward to getting this food out to caring agencies that are feeding children and families in need. And we'll follow up with a video of some of this food being heated up so that you can see that this is great food. I'm perfectly comfortable feeding my own family, knowing that it'll go out and have a genuine impact in people's lives.
No, she doesn't.
Stubborn,
I have to try this.
unprofessional man.
Jeff had one. Oh, and the girls were in there.
The last day.
Barbecue sauce is in there.
Well,
You're like a professional macaroni and cheese eater. You like that? All right, Simon. Have you tried? You tried the pudding there. Is the pudding good?
Oh, yeah.
And have you tried the mashed potatoes?
Yep.
Are they good?
Good stuff.
That was absolutely awesome. My favorite. Absolutely favorite.
Great barbecue.
Thank you for being so generous.
Couldn't tell that it was reheated. It was awesome. Like we were in the restaurant.
yep, second time around is worth paying for.
Would you all feed it to your kids gladly?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
And I can't wait till City Barbecue gets on the north side.